Introducing ServiceMonster Pay, the fully integrated payment solution for ServiceMonster users. It's easy to apply, and you can be approved in minutes. For the first time, you will be able to process checks directly within ServiceMonster, and ServiceMonster Pay supports all major credit cards. With ServiceMonster Pay, you can send email and text reminders to clients and accept payments anytime using the ServiceMonster payment form, complete with customization options. You can also automate repeat payments for monthly, quarterly, or annual subscriptions. Keep customer credit cards saved on file without placing a hold charge, and receive most funds in your bank account within 2 business days, all through our high-security PCI-compliant system. We are always working with our payment partner to get the lowest possible rates. Our most up-to-date rates can be found on our website. Go to servicemonster.net/pay to learn more.